Every time you upload a document to a standard AI chatbot, it starts from zero. It reads your file, answers your question, and then essentially deletes the context. Andre Karpathy's solution is the LLM Wiki, an AI-built, self-organizing Wikipedia right on your machine. We are going to build one from scratch, using Obsidian as our viewer and Claude Code as the engine handling reading and writing. This process ensures that every document you add contributes to a central database that gets smarter with every new entry. Open Obsidian and select Create New Vault. Name this folder LLM Wiki and save it into your Documents folder. Inside that new vault, create 3 subfolders: Raw, Wiki, and Templates. Next, we need a schema. This is the rules document that tells the AI how to operate, how to format notes, and how to link concepts. If you're using Claude Code, create a file called claude.md in your root directory. Open that file and locate the purpose line. This is where you define your wiki's topic. For this demo, we'll use planning a trip to Japan. To function correctly, this schema file must stay in the root directory. If you move it into a subfolder, the AI will lose access to its instructions. This single file provides the AI with the logic needed to manage your workspace autonomously. To begin, take a raw source document, like a blog post about traveling to Tokyo, and drop it into the raw folder. At this stage, your information is just dense data, with neighborhoods and transit details scattered across a single file. Open your terminal, navigate to the project folder, and tell Claude Code, "I added a new source to the raw folder. Please read it and update the wiki." The AI now extracts key concepts from the source and writes structured Markdown pages directly into your wiki folder. You can see the results in Obsidian's graph view, where the AI has mapped the text into several connected concepts. The system actively processes each file, extracting and mapping usable knowledge for future use. We can test the system's adaptability by adding a second, related document to the raw folder. For this example, we'll use a specific guide for visiting historic temples. Run the same ingestion command in Claude Code. The AI reads the existing neighborhood pages and updates them to weave in the new temple locations it just discovered. The graph view now shows synthesis occurring between the original Tokyo data and the new temple information. This is compounding knowledge. Every new document you provide makes the entire pre-existing database more useful. You can now ask Claude a complex question, such as which neighborhood is best for someone who wants both great food and proximity to temples. Because the AI is pulling from its own pre-synthesized wiki pages, it provides a cited answer without needing to rescan the original documents. To keep the database healthy, use the linting command. This tells the AI to check for structural issues like broken links or orphan pages that aren't connected to the main graph. Note that the wiki relies on the quality of your input. If the original sources you provide are inaccurate, the AI cannot fix those facts for you. By structuring the database first, you're interacting with a verified knowledge base rather than a pile of raw text. After months of research, this process leaves you with a mature knowledge network that reflects everything you've read. This method works best at a personal scale, around 100 articles or documents, rather than as a replacement for massive enterprise databases. You can find the claude.md schema template and the setup guides for Claude Code in the description below. You now have an AI system that captures and organizes your research, so you never have to start from zero again.